The three things that I mentioned earlier, friendship, connection, as well as the confidence ay hindi lang mabibuild sa ating international activities, kundi pati na rin sa ating school-based activities. Katulad na lamang ng ating Intramurals 2024 na ngayon na i-share sa atin ng ating sports reporter, Nicole Solano.
Good day, Heidi, as well as to our viewers. Last November 19 to 2022, JRI had another blast of intramurals at school. I could say that the JRI MAPA department and the SSLG have done a great job of making our students feel the joy, excitement, and thrill of intramurals with activities such as parades, Mr. and Miss Intramurals, sports activities like volleyball, table tennis, and badminton, and esports tournaments that is facilitated by our SSLG. Of course, a successful event like this could not be prepared with just a 1 week preparation, right? So surely a big event like this has a primary goal that they aim to fulfill. One of them for sure is to make sure that this event is worth keeping memories, balancing the lives of students with academics and outside activities. We could not deny that their hard work really paid off, right? The department's success mirrors the faces of our students and how loud their voices cheering during the actual event. One of the grade 7 students whom I interviewed could not contain the joy he felt during the event. And when I asked about his first time experience of intramurals here in JRI, he said that he couldn't wait for next year's intramurals. Added to it is an interview with our senior high school student who is celebrating her last intramurals here in JRI and said that she'll surely miss the annual pageant and cheer that each grade level preferred to boost the spirit of the club. How about you, Heidi? Can I ask what is like activity that you would miss once you graduate as a graduating student, of course?
Okay, before I answer that, sabi ko lang, nakakaingit yung sinabi ng grade 7 student. Very fresh yung sagot niya na, ang sabi niya, he couldn't wait for more next year. So, sana all my next year pa. So, with that, yung mamimiss ko talaga is yung solido nating section. Kasi, yung ganitong activities, sports activities sa college, siguro may encounter pa talaga natin. Pero iba na yung mga kasama natin. So, iba na yung feeling. So, ang mamimiss ko ay yung malakas na pag-cheer natin kahit na alam nating talo tayo. Dahil competitive nga, ay lalaban pa rin at lalaban. So, yeah. The bond that we created, the family that we built inside the school, ayun yung sobrang nakakamiss for me. Ikaw, anong mamimiss mo?
Well, siguro for overall, yung eagerness ng kada section na manalo every game. Though, yung ibang mga players, siyempre, hindi naman masyadong alam sa sports activities. Nagtatry pa rin talaga sila na mag-participate and makakontribute every game para lang galing section natin. Section nila. So, dagdag ko rin syempre yung section natin, yung competitiveness every game na parang mapanalo, nagpe-prepare pa tayo ng iba't ibang banner, iba't ibang cheer. Though, hindi tayo pinalat, masasabi ko pa rin, super nag-enjoy ako during the activity kasi nga, ayun, parang makita ko talaga na super solid ng section natin at talagang nagtutulungan para lang ma-boost yung spirits ng isa't isa. Well, talking about winning, if you are interested in the list of winners, the green team was awarded as the overall winner during the awarding ceremony. Well, if you want a more detailed information about the list of winners, I think it is already posted in the official pages of our school, right? So make sure to check it out as siyempre for future announcement rin kasi nga nabanggit during the awarding ceremony ng head of MAPA department na hindi pa tapos yung intramurals natin, part 1 pa lang yon. And on January 25, 2026, meron pang part 2 which is yung basketball league. So surely hindi yung gustong mamiss ng mga Rizalians natin, right? Back to you, Heidi. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nicole. So, Rizalians, once again, sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa part 1 ng ating intramurals dahil meron pang naghihintay sa atin na bigger, which is yung basketball league, pagbalik natin dito next year. So, I hope kung paano natin na-enjoy yung part 1 ng intramurals ay mas may enjoy natin itong susunod. And congratulations once again, Green Team!